An object at rest remains at rest, and an object in motion remains in motion at constant speed and in a straight line unless acted on by an unbalanced force.
Force is equal to the mass of the object times acceleration.
Every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
Ben is currently in motion. He will continue this movement forever, unless something else changes this. That is where Ethan comes into play. He's not a force a part of Ben's motion. Let's see what happens when he runs into Ethan. Oh look! Ben has stopped his movement. Because an outside force, Ethan, came into play.
Water bottle is not moving. This object will stay this way. What's this? A wild Ben. He is thirsty and looking for a drink. The water bottle has to be upside down to come out. Ben pounces and knocks it over the water bottle, and it gets rest.
You can see Ethan is trying to move a table. He is having a rough time getting it to move. Then he goes over to try a chair. He can move it a lot faster than the table. This is due to the chair having less mass and thus being able to accelerate faster with the same amount of force.
Ethan rolls Derek slightly. Derek moves very slowly. He then goes over to another ball and pushes Derek a lot harder. He moves much faster than the other one. This is because when you add more force, the same mass, the acceleration increases. Derek is very clumsy and is unsuspecting Ethan is in his way. As Derek charges into Ethan, he is knocked back onto the ground. Ethan's also flung back onto the ground. There was force pushing on Ethan from Derek. When Derek runs into Ethan, Ethan has his own force pushed back against Derek. This is why they both fell in opposite directions.
Nice job, guys. Ethan is standing still and has nothing other than balanced forces on him. He moves over to a wall and pushes it. He feels a lot more pressure against him. Even though the wall isn't moving, the force still